हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो सब? बढ़िया, मस्त, मजे में, वेरी गुड. So let me start problem number second related to break-even point and a contribution and of course profit volume ratio. Now the price structure of BS calculator manufactured by Messrs. Raja and Arani calculators is as follows. So material cost we have 120 rupees, labor cost we have 40 rupees, and variable cost we have 40, and the fixed overhead that is the comes 100 rupees, and the totals comes of this one is 300 rupees. So profit we have a hundreds to be there, selling price we have a 400 rupees to be there. So this cost structure is based on a thousands calculator per annum. Okay, so this cost structure is based on a thousands calculator per annum. ये जो structure दिया गया है वो 1000 calculator per annum के ऊपर based है. In order to face the increasing intensity of the competition, the company wants to reduce. Okay, in order to face the increasing intensity, यदि अगर वो इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाते हैं अपनी और कंपटीशन के मामले में, तो क्या होता है देखिए, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द competition the company wants to reduce the price without affecting the existing profit. वो रिड्यूस करते हैं अपनी ये सारे जो प्राइस है वो रिड्यूस करते हैं विदाउट अफेक्टिंग द एग्जिस्टिंग प्रॉफिट. मतलब जो एग्जिस्टिंग प्रॉफिट है उन लोगों का उसके ऊपर बिना इफेक्ट हुए वो रिड्यूस करके यहाँ पर कंपटीशंस में स्टे करना चाहते हैं. तो कैसे वो क्या कर सकते हैं, चलिए देखते हैं क्या बता रहे हैं हमें. यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू फाइंड आउट दी सेल्स वैल्यू. सो हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं सेल्स वैल्यू. नंबर फर्स्ट पॉइंट हमें दिया गया है द सेलिंग प्राइस इज डिक्रीज बाय 10%. नंबर सेकंड द सेलिंग प्राइस इज डिक्रीज बाय 20%. नंबर थर्ड द सेलिंग प्राइस एंड द लेबर कॉस्ट आर डिक्रीज बाय 5%. You are further required to find out that is the break even point and margin of safety at all the three levels. So ये जो तीनों लेवल है, इन तीनों लेवल के लिए हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, तो यहाँ पे देखिए ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट एंड मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी एंड मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो चलिए दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों को ये भी वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा. जिनको वीडियो अच्छे लग रहे हैं कृपया करके वो लाइक जरूर कर दे और शेयर जरूर कर दे हमारे वीडियो को. So let's begin with this problem. Yeah, so first of all we need to calculate that is the ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. ये अगर यहाँ पर मैं आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ तो यहाँ पर हमें फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या बोला गया है, दे फाइंड आउट, you can see you are further required to find out that is the break even point and margin of a safety. So वर्किंग नोट हमारी यहाँ पर बन जाती है. यदि अगर मैं लिखूँ वर्किंग नोट नंबर फर्स्ट दैट इज द ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट is equal to, so how we calculate break even point, as you know very well that a fixed cost upon profit volume ratio into 100. Okay, now while we are going to calculate a profit volume ratio, the profit volume ratio's formula is profit volume ratio is equal to, what is the profit volume formula to be there? So as you know very well, the formula for the profit volume ratio is a contribution upon sales into 100. As we know very well what is the contribution, so contribution is equal to, let me give the example or let me give the formula, not an example. Contribution is equal to, that is a selling price minus its variable cost. Okay, so this is these 2 points, that is the two formula for the profit volume ratio and the contribution is related to the calculated the break even point. Number B, that is they suggested to us margin of safety calculate. So what is the formula for the margin of safety calculate? As we know very well, actual sales minus is break even point sales. So we need to find out that break even point sales. Okay, so as by number first one, that is the break even point fixed cost upon the profit volume ratio into 100, we are going to find out the profit volume ratio exactly. So first of all, we find out profit volume ratio. So how we find out profit volume ratio? As you know very well that the formula we have, contribution upon sales into 100. Okay. So let me find out the contribution. So contribution is equal to sales cost minus its variable cost. So what is the sales cost in this particular problem? So let me go and see exactly what is the sales cost to be there. Okay. So you can see a selling price is rupees 400 we have. Okay, sir. So 400 selling price we have. And what is the variable cost? Sir, the variable cost is something happens to be there कि हमें calculate करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now the question text comes to be there. So find out, please note this point, find out variable cost. So how to find out variable cost to be there? Find out कैसे करेंगे sir? Now you can see in these conditions that the material cost, that the variable cost and the variable overhead, ये यहाँ पर बता रहा है कि ये fixed overhead है जो कि 100 रुपीज पर कैलकुलेटर हमें दिखाई दे रहा है. बट नाउ द मटेरियल कॉस्ट, लेबर कॉस्ट और वेरिएबल ओवरहेड, ये जो तीनों पार्ट है, ये तीनों पार्ट हमारे किससे रिलेटेड है दोस्तों? ये तीनों पार्ट हमारे रिलेटेड है वेरिएबल कॉस्ट से रिलेटेड है. So as it is, we know very well, we consider the A condition, that is what? A material cost. बिल्कुल आराम से समझा रहा हूं ताकि आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाए. मटेरियल कॉस्ट, नंबर बी है लेबर कॉस्ट और नंबर सी है वेरिएबल ओवरहेड. देखिए दोस्तों, वेरिएबल ओवरहेड. So the price comes to be there. Material cost की कितनी प्राइस है? What is the material cost price sir? What? 120. 40 for the labor cost, 40 for the variable overhead. Okay. So 120 plus 40 plus 40. So what is the answers come sir? 30 is equal to 4. 4 plus 8 to 0. It means ones to be there. So 2 comes there. That is the 200 rupees price comes. Okay, so the 200 rupees is a variable cost, my dear friends. Is what? Variable cost. That is the 200 rupees. Okay, so let me erase this question tag that we already calculated at 200 rupees, that is the variable cost. So answers comes. So what is the answers? 400 and minus 200, answers comes 200 rupees to be there. Okay. So the 200 is what? A contribution. So let me calculate the profit volume ratio, that is the contribution, 200 upon sales. So 400 we have a sales into 100. So what is the formula? It means what is the answers to be there? Now as by we are going to the calculator, let me go and check it out. What is the exactly comes the answers to be there? Oh yeah, perfect calculation we are going to see. Exactly a perfect calculation. Okay, so it opens to be there. Let me minimize this one and go to be there. So let me see exactly what is the answers comes. So it's basic 200 divided by 400 into 100. So 50 is the answers comes to be there. Okay sir, 50% is the answers comes to be there, as it is in a simple language. But now while we goes to the fulfill the number first condition, my dear friends, the first condition we have, they suggested to us the selling price is decreased by 10%. So we'll apply this selling price decreases by 10% to be there. So let me go and add the first condition as by the, you can see very well what is a 10% decreases in a selling price. Okay, so what is the selling price we have? selling price is equal to 400 we have, and the less, that is the 10% decrease, is equal to 40 rupees, and the 360 comes answer, that is the selling price. I hope so it is clear, huh? 360 selling price हमारे पास में आ रही है सर. Okay, then we'll go and first of all once again calculate that what is exactly a contributions that is covered to profit volume ratio. While we go with the simple language, यदि अगर simple language से जाता हूँ तो यहाँ पर 50% profit volume ratio निकल रहा है. बट यदि अगर A condition अप्लाई करता हूँ, that is the 10% decreases in selling price, तो यहाँ पर आंसर क्या निकलता है, चलिए देखते हैं. Okay, so now they suggested to us as by the 10% decreases in selling price. तो 360 हम यहाँ पर ले लेंगे, that is the contribution is equal to selling price minus is variable cost. 360 minus is 200, that is the our variable cost. So answers comes 160. Yeah, so 160, that is the contribution upon selling price. 360 is our selling price into 100. Let me see what is the example. Let me see what is exactly examples comes as answers to be there. 160 divided by 360 into 100. So answers come 44.44. Okay sir, the profit volume ratio is comes of 44.44. 44.44 is the answer for the profit volume ratio. So this is we consider as a profit volume ratio, and we need to find out the break even point to be there. If we finalize the number 10% decreases in the selling price or the A conditions to be there. यदि अगर 10% डिक्रीज करता हूँ सेलिंग प्राइस में तो 360 वहाँ पर आंसर आ रहा है सेलिंग प्राइस का, और कंट्रीब्यूशन चल कर आता है हमारे पास में 160 सर, और प्रॉफिट वॉल्यूम रेशियो का फॉर्मूला है दैट इज द 160 डिवाइडेड बाय 360 इंटू 100. वी कंसिडर एज अ कंट्रीब्यूशन अपॉन सेल्स इंटू 100 एंड विल फाइंड आउट द ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. तो अभी ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट अपॉन प्रॉफिट वॉल्यूम रेशियो का चार्ज करना पड़ेगा. ओके सर, so let me go and find out that the break even point is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio, जिसको हम profit volume ratio भी कहते हैं, मतलब PV ratio short में कहते हैं. So we need to find out the fixed cost to be there. Fixed cost. Okay. So what is the fixed cost in this particular problem? They suggested to us, यहाँ पे देखिए बताया गया है कि fixed overhead is 100 and they suggested the cost structure is based on thousands calculator per annum. तो यहाँ पर दोस्तों ये देखकर मैं fixed overhead लिख दूँ, fixed overhead that is the 100, and they suggested calculator that is the thousands per annum. So basically the answers come that is the fixed overhead into thousands calculator per annum. So answers comes that is the 1 lakh rupees is my fixed cost. सिंपल सी बात है, thousands कैलकुलेटर हमें बताया गया है तो thousands कैलकुलेटर से इंटू करेंगे दैट इज द 100. सो आंसर चल के आएगा 1 लाख रुपीज टू बी देयर, दैट इज द फिक्स्ड ओवरहेड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. तो यहाँ पर हमने फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट तो फाइंड आउट कर ली 1 लाख रुपीज. अब ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट को फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट दैट इज द 1 लाख रुपीज divided by profit volume ratio 44.44 into 100. So let me go and see what is the answers comes to be there. So as by, let me clear the 1 lakh rupees divided by 44.44 into 100. The answers comes 225022. Okay, 2,25,022 rupees. Yes, 2,25,022 rupees. If I go with that, this 50 It means this is the comes as a 23, that is the round up. तो ये राउंड अप हमारा आंसर निकल के आ गया, दैट इज दी 2,25,023 रुपीज. एंड देन आफ्टर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, उसके बाद में हमें सर क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, तो उसके बाद में दोस्तों हमें फाइंड आउट करना है मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी. सो हाउ वी फाइंड आउट मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी सर? एक्चुअल या एक्चुअल सेल्स minuses break even point sales. Now what is the actual sales we have? Actual sales मेरे पास में कितनी है? तो मुझे क्वेश्चन टैग है, yes sir. क्यों? Now they suggested in this problem per calculator rupees only, not actual sales, जैसे कि हमने फिक्स्ड ओवरहेड कैलकुलेट किया. ओके तो सेलिंग प्राइस मेरे पास में अभी यहाँ पर है 400 रुपीज, और ये बता रहा है कि स्टॉक कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर इज बेस्ड ऑन थाउजेंड्स कैलकुलेटर पर एनम. ओके तो हाउ वी कैलकुलेट अप दैट वन माय डियर फ्रेंड्स? सो एक्चुअल सेल्स, चलिए यहाँ पर, हाँ यहाँ पर कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. एक्चुअल सेल्स इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस इनटू थाउजेंड्स कैलकुलेटर्स पर एनम. ओके सो सेलिंग प्राइस मेरे पास में है 400 रुपीज और थाउजेंड्स कैलकुलेटर ये रहे, तो आंसर चल के आएगा एक्चुअल सेल्स का, दैट इज दी 4 लाख रुपीज. अभी यहां पर हम एक गलती कर देते हैं एज अ स्टूडेंट. गलती क्या करते हैं देखिए, मैं बता दूं आपको. तो यहां पर बोला गया है कि द सेलिंग प्राइस इज डिक्रीज बाय 10%. 10% से सेलिंग प्राइस डिक्रीज बताई जा रही है, और यदि अगर 10% से डिक्रीज सेलिंग प्राइस ले लेते हैं तो यहाँ पर अमाउंट बन के आती है 360. तो 360 इंटू थाउजेंड्स कर देंगे हम, है ना, 3,60,000 इज ऑफ कोर्स सर. सो इन द केस ऑफ दैट वन प्लीज नोटेड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, द पॉइंट वो बेसिकली हमें सिर्फ बता रहा है कि सेलिंग प्राइस में डिक्रीज हुई है. सेलिंग प्राइस में थाउजेंड्स कैलकुलेटर्स में डिक्रीज बताया क्या? नहीं बताया है. तो ऐसी कंडीशंस में मेरे दोस्तों प्लीज ऐसी चीज मत करिए, ताकि 360 आंसर आपका आ जाए, दैट इज दी 3,60,000 आपका आंसर आ सकता है. सो इन द केस ऑफ दैट वन प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. यदि अगर आप ठीक से प्रॉब्लम रीड करते हो तो आपको वो चीज़ समझ में आ जाएगी दोस्तों. यदि अगर नहीं समझ में आती है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करें, कमेंट पे मैं जरूर समझने का प्रयास करूंगा. सो मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी इज इक्वल टू एक्चुअल सेल्स. सो एक्चुअल सेल्स मेरे पास में कितनी है? 4 लाख रुपीज. ओके ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट सेल्स मेरे पास में कितनी है अभी? 2,25,023 रुपीज. 2,25,023 रुपीज. सो आंसर मेरे पास में चल के आएगा. व्हाट इज द आंसर्स टू बी देयर? ओके so 4 lakh rupees, that is the 1 2 3 4 5 minus this 2,25,023 rupees. The answers comes 1,74,977 rupees. 1,74,977 rupees. फिर से चेक कर लूँ, 1,74,977 rupees is my answers to be there. That is the margin of safety. So we done, that is the first condition. They suggested to us a 10% decrease in a selling price. Okay, and next condition देखते हैं. What is the next condition dear? Our next condition is the selling price is decreased by 20%. 20% से selling price decrease कर रहा है बंदा अभी. Okay, तो just a second, यहाँ पर मैं इसको हटा दूँ तो आपको पता चल जाएगा क्या आंसर निकलता है क्या नहीं निकलता है. दोस्तों यदि अगर सच में वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो एक जरूर लाइक करें हमें. क्या इसको भी हटा दूं? ओ या okay, second condition, that is the B condition, 20% decreases in selling price. Okay, so 20% decreases in a selling price, it means so 400 we have a selling price, and if we go with the 20% decreases, the answers comes that is the 80 rupees. And if 400 minuses that we consider as by in this case, so let me see, 400 minuses 80 rupees, the answers comes 320 rupees. Okay, that is the selling price we have, 320. So let me see what is the exactly a contributions to be there for this one. So 320 minus is 200, that is the variable cost we have. So the answers comes 120 rupees. Let me see and find out exactly. Yeah, minus is 200. So 120 answers to be there. You can see the contribution is 120. So what is the profit volume ratio for this one? 120 upon sales, that is the selling price, which is we already covered. 20% decreases minuses, that is the 320 answers comes to be there. So 320. The profit volume ratio for this one, let me see and check out what is exactly the answers comes to be there. Okay, 120 divided by 320 into 100, the answers come 37.5% is my profit volume ratio. 37.5% is my profit volume ratio. And let me find out what is exactly a break-even point to be there while we calculate it after the profit volume ratio. So as we know very well, what is the formula for the break-even point calculation? That is the fixed cost upon profit volume ratio. So as by we know very well what is the fixed cost, as the fixed overhead, that is the 100, and calculators per annum, that is the 1000. The 1 lakh rupees is my fixed cost to be there, and the profit volume ratio is 37.5%. So let me go and check out what is exactly the answers comes to be there. Okay, 1 lakh rupees divided by 37.5% into 100, the answers comes 2,66,667. Okay, 2,66,667 rupees. Just check it out, 2,66,667 rupees, that they comes double six point, so we consider that is the 7 round of 2,66,667 rupees. Answers comes to be there. Okay, let me find out margin of safety. So how we find out the margin of safety, sir? We find out with the help of the margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus break-even point sales. So actual sales we already calculated, that is the 4 lakh rupees, and while we applying this 2,66,667 rupees, the answers comes to be there. So what is the answers comes? Let me find out the answer. Okay, sir, what is the answer? 4 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5 minus is 2,66,667 rupees. Oh, 1,33,333 rupees. 1,33,333 rupees. Okay, this is the answer for margin of safety. We'll go with that one. 1,33,333 rupees. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1,33,333 rupees answers comes for margin of safety. Okay, this is the fulfill condition of number. Second condition, that is the 20% decrease in selling price. We'll go and check out the next condition, that is the third number condition. The selling price and the labor cost are decreased by 5%. Okay, the selling price and a labor cost. Okay, sir, selling price and a labor cost, आप लोगों को ये मालूम चल गया, दैट इज द फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट कितनी है हमारे पास में. उसके बाद में हमारे पास में मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं वो भी आप लोगों को पता चल गया. दैट द एक्चुअल सेल्स मुझे मालूम है सर. सो अभी ये सब शॉर्ट में लिखेंगे, दैट इज द मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी एक्चुअल सेल्स माइनस ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट सेल्स, और अप्लाई करते हैं थर्ड नंबर कंडीशन. yes. Mhm. Okay, the selling price and the labor cost are decreased by 5%. Okay, sir. C condition, selling price and labor cost decrease by 5%. ओके, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन भी चेंज होगा, दैट इज द वेरिएबल कॉस्ट भी यहाँ पर चेंज होगा. लेट मी फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द लेबर कॉस्ट इज देयर. ओके सर, selling price. So selling price we have a sir, that is the 40,400 less 5% decreases. Okay, if I go with the 10% decreases, the answers comes that is the 40, and if I go with the 5% answers comes that is the 20. इतना तो पूरा easy है, that is the 20 rupees. On what is the answers comes to be there. So 400 minus is 20, the answers come 380 rupees to be there. That is my selling price. And we'll go with the next one, that is the labor cost. So what is the labor cost we have? We have a labor cost, sir. So what is the labor cost we have? We have a labor cost that is the 40 rupees. Less 5% decreases. If I go with the 10%, the answers comes that is the 4, and if I go with the 5%, it means answers comes 2 rupees to be there. So answers comes for the labor cost after the 5% decreases, that is the 38 rupees. Okay, so this is actual labor cost we have. And let me apply this labor cost to the contributions point of view for the find out that the variable cost. So labor cost we have that is the 38 rupees. So answers comes, let me see what is the answers comes to be there. So 120 plus 38 plus 40, the answers comes 198 rupees to be there. So this is my variable cost, that is the 198 rupees. Okay sir, and we'll go with that the 380 rupees for the selling price. If I go with the calculate the contribution, so what is the answers comes contribution, let me see. As by contribution is equal to selling price minus variable cost, so variable cost has been the changed, that is the 198 rupees, and the selling price is 5% decreases, it means the 380 rupees we have a selling price, 380 rupees. So what is the contributions to be there, sir? So let me see what is the contributions to be there. As we know very well, 380 is my selling price minus its variable cost, that is the 198, and the contributions comes that is the 182. Yeah, 182. Let me see once again, it is answer 182, right? 182 is my contributions to be there. So let me find out what is the exactly a profit volume ratios to be there. As we know very well, that is the contribution we have 182, and the profit volume ratios formula for the contribution upon sales. So 182 divided by selling price, that is the 380 rupees we have a, and what is the contribution for the calculating after 182 rupees and the profit volume ratio. Let me find out what is the profit volume ratio. If you go with that this formula, that is we consider contribution upon sales into 108, that is the 182 divided by 380 into 100. So answers comes 47.89 percentage profit volume ratio we find out. So let me find out exactly the break even point. Okay, so what is the formula for the calculating the break even point, sir? You can see that is the fixed cost divided by profit volume ratio into 100. So what is the profit volume ratio? So we already calculated, sir, profit volume ratios to be there. .89%. 47.89%. So let me calculate the break even point. 1 lakh rupees divided by 47.89 into 100. The answers comes 2,08,811 rupees, 812 rupees. Okay, 2,08,812 rupees. That is the break even point in sales. So let me find out the margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus is break even point sales. So is equal to actual sales we have, that is the 4 lakh rupees, and the break even point sales, that is the 2,08,812 rupees. 2,08,812 rupees. So answers comes margin of safety (4 lakh) minus is 2,08,812 rupees. So 1,91,188 rupees. 1,91,188 rupees. We have answers comes, that is the margin of a safety. Okay, just a minute, we'll find out that exactly where it is correct. 1,91,188 rupees. So we done 3 conditions there, that is they suggested to us to find out the selling price is decreased by 10%, to find out the selling price is decreased by 20%, to find out the selling price and the labor costs are decreased by 5%. And what to exactly find out, sir? The break even point and the margin of safety, as we know very well, as by this is the answer for the last condition, that is the selling price minus labor cost by the 5%. We already calculated for the contribution, that is the we generally said, sir, after contribution calculate, we calculate the break even points for the formulas, that is the profit volume ratio. Profit volume ratio as by the comes 47.89%. 1 lakh divided by 47.89% into 100, the answers comes 2,08,812 rupees. That is the break even point in sales rupees. So what we find out to be the margin of safety to be there? So margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus the break even point sales. So 4 lakh minus 2,08,812 rupees. So answers comes 1,91,188 rupees. This is the margin of safety, and I hope so that it is the lovely and superb video, and from the US sides, I hope so that you are going to be these conditions, you are going to be this condition, and of course you are going to be subscribe this one while like this one. So this is the number 2nd problem. यदि अगर 3rd प्रॉब्लम देखना है तो जरूर वीडियो को शेयर करें. हैव अ गुड डे, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू.